Yeah. All right, what is up guys? Today we have the 296 GTB Ferrari. Alex over at White Glove Exotic Services is the owner of this beautiful ride. I got it here in this nice parking garage. We got a nice view, some clouds, we're a little elevated. So this car is pushing an amazing 654 horsepower. Behind that horsepower is a 3.0 V6 twin turbo engine. The car is hybrid, so it is a little bit electric. Gives it better gas mileage, it makes it a little bit faster. So I got this tree behind the car, and I feel like it's gonna look like it's growing out of the car, which you really don't want with photography. But thankfully we have Photoshop, so that tree is going to be gone. Currently on my camera I'm using the 50mm 1.4 Sigma Art lens from Canon. Yeah. All right, so whenever I do photography, I like to have a lot of shade with some light, especially with cars. It really shows off just the paint, the color, the look, the aesthetic, I mean, look at this thing. This is beautiful right now. And we're just in a random neighborhood with no traffic. We love to see it. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the behind the scenes, the photo shoot, the car. Be sure to follow, like, subscribe, comment, help us get that engagement up. We got a lot more cool content coming for you guys. Go ahead, comment down below what car you guys want to see next, and we'll try to get our hands on it.